What's up everyone, it's your boy Rocket456 here today, and welcome to a video, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the neon pink and neon green Joy-Cons. I got these today and right now, and I also got Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe, and we are also going to be unboxing that. So hopefully, because I've done unboxings on this channel, hopefully you yeah, we're in public, so that's probably why you're hearing a lot of I got it. Don't worry, I got this. No, this is definitely not a pro unboxing right here. I think
yeah, money.
There we go. We're just. Oh, by the way, brought to you by Nintendo. Support me. So, oh my God, these look clean. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wait, bubble wrap? It even comes with bubble wrap? Oh. These, honestly guys, these are very blinding, but that is definitely neon. Oh, these are definitely new Joy-Cons. Oh, let's pull out the pink. Oh, by the way, these are Splatoon themed, so that's why they're these colors. Oh, those are new controllers right there. So these are the new Joy-Cons I bought just today, like 10 minutes ago, and they come with the Joy-Con straps, obviously, but you guys already know what those are. So we're gonna put all this glorious stuff aside. We'll be unboxing Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. Oh, that fresh paper right there, just glorious. I love it. Okay, come on. Like, literally, you guys know me, when I do these unboxings, I'm always struggling, like hardcore, anytime I open something. There we go. So we got the front, the back, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So I was mostly going to do this with the Joy-Cons, but that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more gaming content and all that stuff that I do here, please subscribe. If you like this video, please smash that like button and make sure to press the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So peace! Baby.